So next, let's go to skip note. What is a skip note? You see two notes are on the lines. Two notes are on the spaces. What is a skip note? This is a middle C. Skip means you skip the note. And when you see this note on the sheet music, all note is underlined. D, F, A, C. All note is on the spaces. So, line note, space note, line note, space note. And this is middle C again. You have the note 2 skips up. These are on the line note. How you know the name of this? Just think 1 skip up, 2 skips up. So you know this is G. This movement is called steps. This movement is called skips.